Hello everyone and welcome. In this topic, on this session, I will talk about design system and AI. So how to start integrating AI in your design system process. So what we will cover is firstly how to connect Figma to Claude, then list a few very useful Figma skills, then use Claude to audit your library, which is a very powerful feature. Then, how to start creating your tokens and components with an AI-assisted process. And then finally show you also Claude Design, which was also like a new, one of the latest product from Anthropic, which also allow you to create design systems. Very quickly about us and House of Maestro. So we are a small design company or like design studio in Berlin and also academy. So we teach about everything about making good crafted design using the power of AI. We are offering webinars like this one here, where we introduce every month a new topic for designers, and also where you get the chance for some Q&A. We have workshops. It's like 1 to 2 days deep dive where we go through like the process, or like to the full process, like for example from the design brief to shipping online, and where we're gonna assist you in every step of the process. We also have like short courses. These are only or like online only resources, including video tutorials, design kits, and more. So you pay once and you get access forever. You can watch it at any time at your own pace. So we have things like starting with AI, typography 101, workflow for designers. Then we have also coaching. This is like personal coach for fixed scope sessions, mostly for solo studio designers or freelancer. And we help you. So if you are starting from zero, or like already using AI, we have different sessions for this, and reach us if you have any interest in these different formats. And let's get started. So the first step before starting will be to connect Figma with Claude. So what you will do is to use this so-called Claude connectors, or also called MCP. This will allow to let Claude communicate with other tools, and in this case it will be Figma. So you will go in the customize section, connectors, search for Figma, and then connect. This should take only a few seconds. Then the next step will be to look for Figma Skills. So just as a reminder, skills are folders of instructions, scripts, and resources that Claude loads dynamically to improve performance on specialized tasks. And in this case, this Figma Skills will help and guide Claude and teach him how to work with Figma. Also explaining what are components, what are layouts, also explaining what is a library, what are design systems. So it's a kind of onboarding process for Claude. And this will allow to work much better for future tasks. So if you go to the Figma community skills page, you're going to find all the necessary skills. The most important one will be Figma use. So this will again teach AI what are tokens, variables, styles, components, and so on. You're gonna have like other ones like generate a library for if you want to create new components, generate design, apply design systems. So I will let you the time to read and to see what skills are available. But here important for you is use Figma use first, and then also download the other ones that you're gonna need. So one very useful task when having everything installed is to run an audit. So this is basically what you would write as a prompt inside Claude. So run an audit on the full Figma file and then just copy and paste your Figma link. And once this is done, you're gonna see here that you're gonna have this. So I didn't took all the result from the prompt, just took like this summarized table. And here you can see that, and you're gonna see that Claude will give you some very useful feedback, also listed by severity or by priority. So it will tell you that maybe a mode is missing. In my case here, that icons have 5 times the same name. That a variant is missing. Also states, and what is good is going to be like proactive feedback. So it already knows what states checkbox or like an form field should have based on design system best practices. Also like the scope of your variables. So pollution means that the scope is too wide, like it should be more specific for variables. And then spacing that might miss and so on. So very powerful and nice feature when using Claude for your design systems. Here's another example when auditing your text styles. So it will let you know if like some headline scales might miss, or like even some type of text styles. Very helpful and very fast to get some good results and feedback to optimize an already existing design system. Then about tokens and components. So here what is important is that you, as already always recommended, to build your first list of tokens and even components manually, right? That you define how they should be built, to put your own designer craft to every detail and to start building this, and then let AI or Claude study this Figma file and is basically like teaching or onboarding your junior designer or someone new that will have to work with your design system and on how to use your design system, right? So this is very important, to train your AI with your system before giving AI the freedom to create new components for you. Same like tokens for components. You give the AI your human input first to train him. So again, you're gonna put your Figma link, write a short prompt about to study your Figma document, and to train him about how your component structure looks like. So what you can use in addition to all this is this Design MD file. It was introduced by Google Stitch, and this is basically a plain markdown file where that will describe your design patterns, your colors, your typography, spacing, or even describe your components. So it's basically what you already have done maybe before, like your variables, but in a more advanced file. So you can write a lot of documentation, your do's and don'ts. Very useful. And this is like tool agnostic, so you could use this file for any AI tool. Very useful. Here is an example from one. The website is called getdesign.md. So you're gonna have a lot of references or like Design MD file from big companies. You can download the file and see how they look like, how they describe the file, and then use it for your own project. There's also another way now. So Claude introduced Claude Design already a few months ago. This could be also another way to start or set up your design system. So when you go to Claude Design, you have this option called Setup Design System. So when starting and set up your design system, Claude Design will ask you some important question. So yeah, again, like context, it's like writing a prompt, but through a form and like a visual form. So it might be also a bit easier, especially for people who have like less experience with design systems. So he will ask you about your company, your mission statement. Also ask you if you have already some Figma files or a code base. So anything that might be relevant to your design system. And after uploading all these resources, you will have a first review draft. So he will ask you if everything is correct, so you can make some changes, check for the colors if it looks good, or if it needs some work. So it's yeah, a very important step to double check if Claude Design has really understood your design system and if everything is correctly implemented. And when this is done, then you will be able to start any kind of design project. So in this case, we have a landing page. You can see here that it's referencing our so-called Nova design system. And here again is asking you for, yeah, what is the project, what is the primary goal of the page, which sections you want to have. So yeah, you are less prompting. It's already like a kind of guide to help you into creating yeah, consistent designs with a design system. And this could be also a nice way. Again, also especially if you are quite new to design systems, a good way to assist you in this process. Thank you for watching. So yeah, this was Design System plus AI. So again, yeah, you can check House of Maestro Academy. We also share a lot of resources, design kits, guides, and so on. We have our intensive 4-hour workshops or online courses. We also offer personal coaching. Yeah, my name is Maxime, and yeah, feel free to join us. We have also a newsletter where we share about AI tools, AI news, and also offer some very special codes for our next courses. Join me also on LinkedIn, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.